Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Soperior Fertilizer Corp, and this company is listed in Canadian Stock Exchange. So this is the information you need to take a note of. Although this has been a penny stock, but the kind of geopolitical tension we have, things are going to move on the higher side, and if you are dealing with commodities, their prices are increasing. So we can see, this is just a background that I want to share it with you. But overall, if you're looking at the trend, we are at the lowest end of the range. And if there is any bounce back, we will have a big one. So let us see how the trend will behave in this particular case. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, this trend is very simple, I would say, although this is for long term, but the trend is very simple. We have two important levels on the downside. Let me show it to you first. So these are your two most important levels on the downside. So you have 0.03 as your immediate support, and you have 0.02, which is your stop loss. Now, so if these two levels will hold on the downside, 0.03 and 0.02, we will have a big move on the upside. Now, what are these moves? So primarily, the stock must sustain above 0.03 for any trend on the downside, but please do not go below your support as well as stop loss. That's the important thing I want to say. So if it holds, we are completely open for the entire range on the upside. So the primary target we have here is 0.05, then you have 0.08, and then you have 0.11. Now, in absolute terms, it may look very small, but in relative terms or in terms of percentages, it is actually very big, because we are talking about 200, 300, 400, 500%. So that's why you need to look at this with a different perspective. So here we are, 0.11 as our next target, as I told you, and after 0.11 we have 0.17. Going forward on the higher side, you have 0.21. Then after that we have 0.31, 0.38, and the highest end of the range is 0.46. As I told you, this looks quite small as far as the absolute numbers are concerned. But in terms of percentage, what I'm talking about from the lower end to the higher end of the range is a move worth 1300%. So in terms of a big percentage change, this is actually very big. And if you're looking at the risk reward, we are at the lowest end of the range. So we have a very sharp, or the entire range is open for you. So we have a very big trend on the upside. But as I told you, this stock is a penny stock, so the risk is very high in this kind of cases. So please do not go below 0.03, and more specifically below 0.02, as this is going to be your strict stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.